one truck bearing number GA08B0784, which was driven by the driver Anil Kumar, native of UP, drove his truck in a rash and negligent manner and crushed one pedestrian who was crossing the road in front of Nalanda apartment. So in this connection, we have registered the crime under section 279-304 IPC on the driver of the truck. After the incident, the driver of the truck tried to flee away from the place, but we managed to nab him after following him for half a kilometer away. So now we have arrested the accused and our further investigation is in progress.
Sir, तो मेल तो कौन था?
No, he is unknown till now. His identity is not disclosed. So our efforts are in progress.